Welcome, 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 guys. Ashani. Yes. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome to this live. Welcome, 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 welcome. Duroy, welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Hi, Inspiring Charm. Good to see you. Duroy, first time. Thank you for coming. SNG family, big up yourself. Guys, as you come in, remember to give me a thumbs up and tell YouTube that we are having a wonderful time over here in Jewel Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Share the live as you come and gives me the thumbs up, okay? Hi, Scratching Pete. Welcome, welcome. So today, guys, we're going to be making some sweet and sour chicken and some fried rice, okay? So give me a little bit more time to see who else is coming, and then we get the party rolling. Welcome, welcome. What's going on, guys, in your neck of the wood? Yes. I'm on the line. What? A sweet and sour chicken, I know it. Right, go ahead, let me finish here. I'm on the line. Yeah. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, nice to have you guys. Welcome, 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 welcome. Any question, guys, in the meanwhile while we're waiting? Welcome. Hey, Duroy. What's going on? Scratching Pete. Hello, Scratching Pete at Inspiring Charm. Scratching Pete. Hi, guys. Welcome. Remember to like up the live as you come in. And remember to give that thumbs up. Share, please share. So I'm going to be making some sweet and sour chicken and some fried rice, egg fried rice. And tell me if anybody asks. So guys, so yesterday I did a video, and I did a video yesterday, and so I left the chicken breast, and I'm gonna be using it to do sweet and sour chicken. We didn't use the breast yesterday, so we're gonna be using it today. So in the meanwhile, I'm gonna get started. I already had my rice cooked. I didn't have leftover rice because you know leftover rice is best for sweet and sour for fried rice. But I made the rice, so it's already done and it's cool. So that's how it is when you're doing sweet fried rice. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna cut my chicken up while you guys sticking around to have fun and meeting your one another. Oh, cooking with Miss Brown. How are you? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So as I said, I'm gonna do sweet and sour chicken, Joel style sweet and sour chicken, and some egg fried rice. From left, I'm only using the chicken breast. Any question, kid? You know, tell me who come. Tell me who comes so I can say welcome to them. Welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for coming in. I'm cutting up I'm deboning the chicken breast, taking off the extra bone off the chicken breast. And any fat. So, all right. So, I'm going to be cutting up my chicken now. I have all my ingredients here that I'm going to be using. So, I'm going to be cutting up my chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken you want. If you want to use the thigh, you can. You just have to debone it. Right? And I'm making long strips. They're making long strips, right? You just want to have a sharp knife. A sharp knife is always good in the kitchen because then if you don't have a sharp knife, you can have, sharp knife. You don't have, if you have a dull knife, it can cause so much accident. Dull knife make accident. And from one chicken breast, you can get a lot of, chicken from one chicken breast. I mean, the whole breast from one chicken. So that's what I'm doing now, cutting up the chicken. Welcome, welcome, guys. Thanks for coming in. We don't want to have any bone left on the chicken because it's sweet and sour. When you bite into it, you can have an accident because you're not gonna be seeing it, but until you bite into it. So make sure you don't have any bone left back in the breast. Okay, so we're making sweet and sour chicken and egg fried rice. Jules style sweet and sour chicken. My style sweet and sour chicken. I know everybody cooks sweet and sour chicken differently. Yeah. Hmm? Right. Everybody cooks differently and it's okay. You know, my style of cooking can be different from you. It doesn't matter. You can have different style of cooking. I know Miss Brown might cook hers different and that's okay. I could learn Miss Brown's style too. Or whoever was there. Welcome, Life with Ruth. Rose, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for coming. Remember to like up the live, give me that thumbs up. Right, so Rose, we're making sweet and sour chicken with chicken egg fried rice, okay? Yeah, sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice. Ask them if they have getting any egg cooking, because I heard it. Hmm? Any echoing from my side, guys? Any echoing? Okay, please do. You're always welcome. We always cook more than enough, okay? So now we have the chicken. So you want to come up on my phone? So we're going to rinse the chicken. Just a little rinse. Not too much. We're not going to overwash this thing. We don't overwash our meat. We just give it enough wash, not over. I'm going to... Hmm? Yeah, what's on your spoon? Yeah. So guys, what's going on in your neck of the woods? How is everything? Is everybody keeping safe? We had rain here in New York yesterday. So any rain in Jamaica, if you're in Jamaica, no, Connecticut was having rain too. And I was up late last night. I didn't go to bed until 5 o'clock this morning. I was hanging out with Jupsi. Jupsi. Thank you, honey. I need a little bit a bigger one too. Yes, thank you, thank you. I'm in love with it too, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. So Rose, share it and let some other people come and see my beautiful kitchen, the one you love. So share out the live, please. Okay, so guys, now that my chicken is ready, I'm gonna season it and I'm gonna put it outside. Okay, so what I have is some garlic powder. I'm gonna put on my chicken. I have some onion powder. Okay, I use I'm not advertising for Easy Spice, but that's my favorite seasoning from a long time. So I'm gonna do a little because you don't have to do too much seasoning on this on the chicken, but I'm gonna put just a little bit so I give it just a little flavor. So I'm gonna put a small amount of Easy Spice chicken seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you have in your cupboard, whatever chicken seasoning of your preference. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna put just a small amount. Take this, put this back where it's coming from. Put these in the sink. Right. So now I'm gonna put my gloves on because it's kind of gonna get messy here right now. This is the messy part of it. So I'm gonna wear gloves because it get really messy now. So, okay, so I have eggs. I'm gonna put some eggs on it. This one broke already, so three. Put some egg on. Depends on the amount of chicken you're doing it. The amount of egg you're gonna use. I'm gonna use 4 eggs for right now. If I need another egg, then I'll put it. Okay. I'm gonna add some flour to it. I'm gonna add some flour. And I'm gonna add some cornstarch. Cornstarch. Some cornstarch. And of course, I'm gonna add some baking powder. Sorry. And I'm gonna add some baking powder. And this is what I use for coloring, bijou coloring season. This, when I was in Jamaica, I used to use a liquid one, and it's called egg coloring. So you could use whatever coloring you want. Some people don't use this; they use ketchup when they make it themselves. But this is what I use, bijou. So I'm gonna add coloring to this thing now. And I'm gonna add a small amount of water. And I'm gonna mix. See, if you could see this, I don't know if you can. Getting a pretty color here. We're incorporating all of this together. And it has a wonderful, a beautiful color. I think I'll put a small amount more cornstarch to it. Wow, look how I mix myself up. It's hard to work with your hand that messy, and then you have to use one. That's what happened. I always get myself messy here in the kitchen, but that's okay because I'm always doing the kitchen. And that's a part of it, right? That's a part of getting your clothes messed up. So you wear your good clothes into the kitchen. All right, so it seems, this is what it looks like now. See? This is what it looked like. Can you see? Okay, this is what it looked like. Nice, beautiful color. Guys, share the live. Give a thumbs up. Tell YouTube that Jewel is having fun over there with her people. All right, so this is it. Welcome, guys. I'm supposed to be in the video. Hmm? Yeah. It's gonna be yummy, sweetie. It is. Okay. So I'm gonna set it aside. And I'm cleaning up. And we're cleaning up while we work, right? So at the end of at the end of cooking, we don't have any dirty stuff left back, right? So today, this morning, I was planning on making breakfast, but as I said, I hung out with Jupsy last night until 5 o'clock this morning, and I couldn't wake up to do the breakfast. So I decided that I was gonna do this. Because sweet and sour chicken is one of my favorite to cook. Even though I'm not a person who love sweet and sour, but I love to cook it. It's one of my favorite. Everybody loves it. Okay, Dan, welcome. Thanks for coming in. So we're cooking sweet and sour chicken with with egg fried rice. So we already seasoned up the chicken. Not much seasoning though. That's a chicken breast that I had left over in this house. Hardly anybody want to eat the chicken breast. So most time the chicken breast waste unless I do sweet and sour chicken. So I made a video last night and I didn't use the chicken breast in it. So I decided that I would have it today and make sweet and sour chicken with it. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna cut up some stuff that I'm gonna be using for my sweet and sour chicken. Mm? Hi, Dero, how are you? Who's the host? Me. Yeah. Mm. That's just the live of the live. Thumbs up the live. Huh? Oh, moderators. Okay, I want to big up all my moderators. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You are the best. You are absolutely the best. Reason why moderators. Oh, okay, moderators. You are the absolutely the best. We couldn't do without your moderators. Okay, so I'm using red, orange, and yellow red bell peppers. We're gonna cut them up, so that's gonna be a part of my sauce. Guys, I want to welcome all my supporters coming visiting for the first time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Give yourself a thumbs up too. And we are making sweet and sour chicken. And right now I'm putting together some red pepper, red bell pepper, yellow and green bell pepper for coloring to my sauce, and some onions. And as I said, this sweet and sour chicken is one of my favorite thing to cook. Okay. No. Okay, so this is gonna sit here. We're gonna put these away, the ones what we're not gonna be using. We're gonna put it back. We're trying to clean up as we go, guys. So what's going on? Shutterbug family, give yourself a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, sweetie, I know you're cooking up for your family, and that's okay. Thanks for showing up. Sassy Diva in the place. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're making sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice, and we already have our chicken seasoned up. And I have this red, yellow, green, and yellow bell pepper with some onions. So we're going to be making the sauce. Okay. So I'm preparing a piece of ginger, all that I need for the sauce. So I like to put my stuff here. So I'm gonna prepare my sweet and sour sauce. Life with Rose and Anna. Okay, so I'm gonna whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare my sauce now, okay? So I need a piece of ginger in it, so I'm gonna clean this ginger with a spoon. Yes. So it's always easier to use a spoon and scrape your ginger. It's kind of faster. I like to use it. It works fast. Welcome, welcome everyone. Welcome to the Jewel in the Kitchen. We over here at Jewel in the Kitchen appreciate you so much. We are learning from you, and we just appreciate you.
Sharon, say hi.
Hi, and Sister Sharon. Welcome, welcome.
So using like the pin.
Hi, Sister Cher. Welcome to the live, honey. I miss you. I know I owe you a call, okay? I was so busy yesterday, I forgot to return your call, but big up yourself, sister, because you're one of them who helped teach me to cook, right? So big up yourself, Sister Cher.
Um, somebody, somebody said it was nice.
Yeah, you can, you can. You can use whatever you want to use, and it's okay, but I just like using the spoon because I won't get any cut. Mhm.
Says hi.
Hi, Drug. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate the support. Give yourself a thumbs up.
Baby, born again reach.
AJ Barn, big up yourself. Big up your big self. Blessing AJ boy, big up yourself. Draft, big up yourself. All of you guys, big up your big bad self. Auntie Sharon, I want me and you to cook one day, okay? I have to come to your place, and whenever you come back here, we're gonna cook in the kitchen, me and you. We're gonna show them how we used to do it back in the days when we were cooking at home. Big up yourself, everyone. Life with Rose and Anna. Big up yourself. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so this is the sauce we're making. I'm gonna put a small amount of water, just a small. Okay, so in the sauce, we're gonna use orange juice. For the sweet and sour sauce, we're gonna put some orange juice in. I'm not making a whole lot because I always make too much. We put some olive vinegar for the sourness. I'm gonna add some lime juice later, and we're gonna put ginger, some sugar. Right, so it takes a lot of sugar. Gonna put this to boil. Thumbs up to your sister Cher. And remember, we're gonna cook. Me and you and I gonna cook, Auntie Sharon. When you come back to New York, or when I come over to your place, we'll do it in your kitchen. You have the big, nice kitchen. We can't do it in your kitchen. But one day we're gonna cook together, okay? Hi, Christina Love. Thank you for showing up. Thank you so much for showing up, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're making our sweet and sour sauce. What we have in here is orange juice, some vinegar, some ginger, and some sugar. We're gonna make it. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna add some color into it. And remember, I use Bijo, Bigo. Thumbs up the live, thumbs up the live. Thanks for coming in, Dwight. Give a thumbs up too. Thank you for coming up. So this, we're making the sauce. We have the sugar here, some ginger. I know you're gonna want more sugar, but that's fine just to catch the color right now. Because once you put the cornstarch in there, you're gonna get the color go down. So I'm trying to catch the color. Mm. So guys, we're making sweet and sour. If you're just coming in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for showing up. Remember to give me the like, the thumbs up, and share, share, share. And we're making sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice. So I'm at the point where I'm doing the sweet and sour sauce. And look what it looked like. See, look, you can see the pot, see that color? That's what it looks like. I'm gonna add some more sugar because I know it didn't get enough, and I'm gonna leave it to boil so we get that ginger, boil ginger flavor. You have to sweeten, sweeten, sweeten. Share the live, share the live, share it. Take some more sugar. Get in there. We're gonna add a small amount of lemon juice that's gonna bring up the sourness. I want sponsor for paper towel. I use so much paper towel, it's funny. I need somebody to sponsor me with some paper towel. I can use 2 rolls of paper towel in this little short time. I have to get out of that habit. Okay. Still need some more sugar. Has that takes a lot of sugar. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here while it simmers. I don't want it to run over, so but I need to get it boiling. That's it. You taste that sour in your throat, ooh, and then that little sweetness. That's what you want to have. You want to have that sweetness and that sour. You want to have both. You want to have both, sweethearts. I tell you, me and paper towel. I'm gonna put pineapple chunks in there, so I'm gonna add some other juice from the pineapple chunks. And leave it now. It's gonna stay here and let it boil. I just don't want to run over in the stove. I want to put these behind here. And in the meanwhile, while I wait, I'm gonna put back my orange juice. Okay, I'm not a lover of ketchup. You can't hardly find me put ketchup in anything. But people use ketchup and it's okay too. But I'm just not a ketchup person. I never use ketchup in, I can't remember if I use ketchup in nothing at all. Nothing at all. I don't eat ketchup. I don't use I don't use ketchup, period. But it's okay for somebody to put ketchup. Nothing is wrong. But I want you to try this way. But ketchup is okay. Nothing is wrong with ketchup if that's what your preference is, right? I just don't like using ketchup, but that's okay. Let's try using this one at a time. I don't use ketchup because I really don't love ketchup. I don't like the taste of ketchup. That's why I really don't use it. But it's okay to use ketchup. So I'm preparing some scallions, some green onions for the for the chicken fried rice. For the not the chicken fried rice, for the fried rice and some ginger. So I'm gonna scrape again. I do remember that I should scrape enough because I'm gonna put some in my fried rice. See, everybody cooks differently and it's okay. Okay. Write it, Bigo. Bijo. And when I was in Jamaica, they had something in a liquid in a bottle, egg coloring. It used to be in a bottle, liquidy. Auntie Sharon, what's going on over there? What you doing? What you cooking up today? I know you can cook. You cook. See what I was running away from? What I was running away from. Guys, this thing will boil over in the stove and then give you problem to clean up. So you have to turn the stove down low and give it some attention. So I have to be cleaning up now. See that bright yellow color? That's the color there. Yeah, that bright yellow color. Okay, so this is it. This is what we use. Oh, no, I'm not seeing it. Okay, this is what I use for the egg color for the coloring. Okay. Oh, I really don't know. So guys, this is my second time on officially. This is my first official time on. I tried it before, but this is really the first official one. So guys, really thank you so much for coming in and supporting. Thank you. I couldn't do this by myself, so I really appreciate it. Okay. And it's kind of stain. You have to put your gloves on, especially if you wear nails. You just finish doing your nails at the hairdresser at the nail tech. You want to make sure you put your gloves on because it stains your finger. You know. Cool. Okay. Thank you, Auntie Sharon, just watching me. I'm saying Auntie Sharon because Kim is saying Auntie Sharon. All right, so we're gonna cut up some. I can't wait for cook with you, Auntie Sharon. I know you're bad. So I'm cutting up the scallion now. We're gonna use the scallion for the fry rice. For the fry rice, I'm going to grate some. Grated ginger. Gonna grate us some ginger. Not really. Not the one. Ginger. No, I don't really want to be a strain of stick. So I'm gonna grate the ginger for the. I have to put this back. Finish up. Turn it down low. I want to make sure it doesn't run over anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna just grate some ginger for the fries. I love ginger. Ginger is one of my favorite. I can't do without ginger in the house. So tell me one thing, guys, that you can't do without in your kitchen when in your kitchen. And if you don't have it, you feel like you can't cook today. What is that one thing? I have two things that I can't really do without when I'm cooking. If I don't have it, I feel like, wow, I can't cook. I just can't cook today. So what is that one thing you have? If you don't have it in your house, you feel like, wow, can't do it today. I can't do it today. I know everybody has one of that. Okay, so we're gonna finish up the sauce now, okay? Okay, so the sauce put now. Oil and everything else. Okay, so we're gonna add some pineapple chunks to it. Oh, okay. Good. I know everybody has something, but garlic and ginger are my two. It's like I can't do without them. Hi, Jermaine. Thanks for showing up. You know what? I'm not gonna leave it because if I leave it, it's not gonna be okay. Okay, so I just put some pineapple chunks in it. And you don't have to buy pineapple chunks. You can buy pineapple and cut it up. But I want to make it easy, so I just buy the chunks so I don't have to cut up anything. So I'm gonna put some thickener in my sauce, and I'm gonna use cornstarch for thickening. Auntie Sharon, for you, garlic and onion. Oh, go Jill in the kitchen. Hi, Jermaine. Run, hurry up. Hi. Welcome, Life with Rose and Anna. Welcome. So we're gonna mix that little cornstarch that we're gonna use for thickening the sauce. Thank you, Rose and Anna. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have to do that, I'm supposed to know what's going on. Okay, so I'm making some cornstarch for thickening. So I think I need some. Guys, like up the live, share the live. Let YouTube know, guys, you're having fun over here. And honestly, if I could dance, I wouldn't be cooking. I love dancing, but because I can't dance, I got to cook. So if I could really dance, I would be dancing my foot off here. Okay, so now we have the pan stack. So what? So what? Renee Reed. Hi, Renee. Welcome, Renee. Welcome to the live. We're gonna have some lessons for you, Renee. So, Renee, we're gonna have some lessons for you, okay? We're gonna do it on Zoom.
The smallest.
Somebody told me you need lessons. I don't know why. Nothing is wrong with that. Maybe you can give a lesson on something else and we swap lessons. You teach me something and I teach you something, right? So we get in this. Oh, this looks like okay. I don't need anymore. Leave it next. Wow, it is really good here. Put a small amount more cornstarch to this. So guys, laugh out, no problem. All right, Renee, we unswap list. Like up the lights and welcome guys as you come in. Welcome. Hmm? I'm just gonna put all of this in. Who said that? Oh, thank you. Put it there. Thank you. All right, so that's done. We're gonna add all this goodness in it. And I'll brighten the color up. We're not gonna cook this. We're just gonna steam it down. Let it steam a little bit. All of these red pepper, onion, and green pepper. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm in heaven when I see this. Honestly, so beautiful. It's a beautiful sight. It's such a beautiful sight. So sweet and sour chicken is cooked to order. You just cook and eat. You don't put it down to this type of sweet and sour. You don't put it down. You cook while your guest is there. You just do it. All right. So now the sauce just need a few minutes. So we get this onion a little bit cooked and the pepper just a little bit, not much. But the sauce is excellent. And look at the body. You just want it like this. Can you see, guys? Okay, so you want the body to be just like, can't show it. Okay, this, not very thick, just running with a little body, and it's beautiful color, beautiful color, and it smells good. Ooh, I made a lot of sweet and sour sauce. I wish somebody was nearby. I could get some. But you can use this same sweet and sour chicken for fish, pork. So even if you cook and you have enough, you can always put it down, put it in the fridge, back way, put it in the fridge, you can stay up to a week. gonna put away some of the stuff we're not using anymore. Auntie Sharon, what are you gonna be cooking for dinner today? Oh, hi, young family. How are you? Okay, right. Yeah, definitely. So I have a lot of welcome, 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 young family. I know you cook up a storm in your house. I know that. Yesterday you had fried rice and chicken, shrimp and egg fried rice. Wonderful. Wish you made more sauce, right? Because you can really store the sauce. But honestly, I'm sorry that you're so far away because I would want to give away some of this sauce. So if anybody close to me here in the Bronx, you could come get some of this sauce because I have a lot. And as I say, you could put it on anything. You could use it for fish, for anything that you want to make sweet and sour. All right, so this, we're gonna need this, we're gonna need this. Okay, so I'm coming back. I'm just putting up stuff that I'm taking out of my way, that I'm really not gonna be needing anymore. Um, kind of sweeping up my kitchen floor. Oh my God. I am happy, Christina, that you were able to change your menu and make sweet and sour chicken. I'm sweeping up because I don't know about you, but when stuff on the floor confuses my head. Please just turn that down, please. Here, pick up this thing. Yes. What that is in this thing. Hi, Marie Jones. Thank you. Yeah, very good. You're clean as you cook. As I said, the floor confuses my head, so I have to make sure I pick up the crumbs or anything will fall on the ground. I know there's a lot of people like that. They can't work it when the place look confused. The place look confused. I'm confused too. Okay, so this is done. We're gonna put it away. Welcome, guys. Welcome for the support, all of those supporters and non-YouTubers. Thank you for coming in. Welcome, welcome, and I hope you can learn something from me as you come each time and join my live or watch my videos. Okay, so we're preparing for the fried rice now. I already had my rice cooked. Thanks for sharing, guys. And Renee, and congratulations, Renee. Congratulations on your big achievement. Big up yourself, Bachelor of Science, RN nurse. Big up yourself. Big up your big bad self. You did it. So this is my rice. I had it cooked today. As I said, leftover rice is always the better one. But if you can cook it like, 2 hours, 3 hours before and let it cool down, because that's what I did. Even though mine is not all that cold, but it's okay. You can If you live close by and you want some sweet and sour chicken with white rice, come over here with fried rice. We have enough. Okay, I'm gonna use some just this money I want. So okay, and big up GPS. Big up GP, Big Bad RN Bachelor Science Girl in the house. Big up, it's all about Kimmy. Big her up, yes. GP, Team GP, right? So you can do it otherwise. I'm just doing this because it's a lot. I'm just putting some soy sauce on my rice. I'm just trying to catch some color here. It's gonna need more, but I have my fire running. I just need to find my pot. And my chicken gonna be the last thing I'm gonna be frying. As I say, the chicken is the chicken is the chicken is cooked to order. So if somebody coming for dinner, you don't cook the chicken until they get there. As it gets soggy, I like it when you present it in your food, it look presentable. You don't want to get it soggy. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for showing up. Thank you, guys, for showing up. And we here at Jill in the Kitchen is making egg fried rice and sweet and sour chicken, Jill style sweet and sour chicken. So you can always make your sweet and sour chicken the way you like it, but I would love for you to try it this way and tell me if you like it. And you can always put a twist. That's what cooking is all about. You could always put a twist on your cooking. Okay, my pot is ready for me. What do I need? A spoon, a spoon, a spoon. Hmm? Hi, Lawrence family lifestyle. Big up yourself. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for coming in. So, Lawrence, as you coming in, we're making chicken fried rice. So I'm just putting a small amount of oil from my oil pot that I have for my chicken. Not a lot, just a small amount. Because I'm gonna put my eggs in. So welcome. So what we're making over here is chicken, sweet and sour chicken, and egg fried rice. So I love to cook sweet and sour chicken. Really love to cook it. Even though I don't love to eat it, I love to cook it. One of my favorite things to cook because my whole family loves it except me. Okay, so I'm gonna put egg in my pot. I'm gonna use 4 eggs, and it depends. I might use 5. Depends on how much rice, you know. And since it's egg fried rice, you wanna put as much egg. You wanna see the egg. I don't take the ice from my egg because honestly, I never smell anything raw. That was a long time ago in Jamaica. I used to smell egg raw because they're organic. These are no organic. They have no smell. And plus your ginger and your everything is gonna take away that that rawness if there's any. So don't worry about rawness, okay? We're gonna scramble these eggs. And I have a little wok going on here. Just have a little wok going on here. It's good to do because it's deep. And I'm doing my eggs, scrambling my eggs. I like to use wooden spoon because I hate when I'm cooking I hear that knocking, boom, 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 knocking. I don't like it. So I always like to use a wooden spoon. I don't like hearing knocking. Even if I'm watching other people's channel, I don't like hearing knocking. So I try not to keep away from the I use wooden spoon. Good. All right. So the egg is all done, mashed up. We're gonna turn the fire down. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Any questions? Right. So this is my egg, and it's done. Okay, that's it. Can you see it? Okay, so I'm gonna add my ginger. It doesn't matter when you add when. It doesn't matter. They're all gonna be in together. Gonna put the rice in now. I hope this rice. I use 5 eggs. It doesn't matter how much. It just depends on how much rice. You know how much rice. And if you're cooking egg fried rice, you want the egg to show because it said egg fried rice. So it's just that it just depends on how much rice you cook. You're cooking 2 cups of rice, you probably want to use three full eggs. Trying to see if I get this pot full. Is Sharon still there? Auntie Sharon, are you there still? Thank you, Rose. Thank you so much for showing up. When you show up, I hope that we have this finishing product for you to see. Thank you, thank you. I'm so appreciative of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna add more soy sauce. That we're trying to get a different, the color different, brown color, right? Not too dark, but brown. Hi, Queen. Hi, Queen Shana. How are you? Big up yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming in. Guys, remember to like up the live. Give me the thumbs up. Because what we want to tell YouTube that we are having a great time here over Julie in the kitchen. So like up the live, guys. Share, like. Great. Thanks. Happy to know you're all good, having a good time, having a relaxing day. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so very appreciative. Words cannot express. We're trying here now to get my rice to the desirable color. It's not there yet. And I can still add some more. And I have this that I'm gonna add to the extra to add to the pot. Oh, so Sharon, what you cooking? As I say, you are the cook. I'm not the cook. You are the cook, my sister. You are the cook. And we're gonna cook one day for everybody to see, just me and you. And you are the cook. You are such a great cook, Sharon. I so admire your cooking.
Sasha's kitchen is here.
Hi, Sasha's Kitchen. Thanks for coming in. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're making chicken, sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice. And we didn't fry the chicken yet, but we have it already seasoned. We have our sauce done, and now I'm doing the rice. So then next I'm gonna be doing the sweet and sour chicken. So guys, as you come, remember to welcome. Just put the thumbs up. Give me press that like button. Let YouTube know that we're having a grand time here in Joel Kitchen. All right, I think I have it like that. Okay. So I just love ginger. The ginger in this rice smell amazing. Still gonna put some more soy sauce. And I use soy sauce. And it's the one that we always use from we were in Jamaica. This rice is good. It's some inner taste. I don't taste it yet, but I smell it. I like that gingery smell. Okay. It's getting there. It's getting there. Meanwhile, yeah. All right, so we can put this away. We want to do more of this. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Okay. And I don't like it much darker than this. So I like this color. But you can make it as dark as you want, or even if you don't want it dark, whatever. So I'm gonna add a small, just a tiny peck of um sesame seed oil. Just a small amount of sesame seed oil. I'm gonna add that to it. Give it a nice little kick. Not a lot. And a small amount of sugar. Not a lot of sugar, small amount. And it's almost as done. So we're gonna add our scallion now. And I have extra ginger. I really want that too. And it's simple. I love cooking is simple. Not because all you want for cooking is some love. That's your first ingredient for cooking. Love. Love in your heart and love for the food. And then it's gonna be okay. The first ingredient is love. take love in your heart and love for the food. Wow, this smells good and it's done. You want to taste it? I had, guys, you have to cook and taste. Just you don't have to be eating, but you have to take a little taste because what? If you're giving somebody something to eat, you want to make sure what you're giving out, right? So you must taste. Some people say they don't cook and taste, but if I'm gonna share it with somebody, honestly, I really want to know what I'm giving that person to eat. So I'm gonna taste it. This tastes good. That sesame seed oil just bring it to a next level with the ginger. A whole different level. And that's extra scallion. That's it. Sweet and okay. So this is done. I like to use this side of the burner because it's the higher side. I'm gonna transfer my oil for my chicken. And I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna turn this fire low. Uh, turn this on for me, please. Don't worry about it. Yeah, almost ready. Almost ready. One last way to go is to fry the chicken. I trying to fix this on it, please. Just like this fire coming. This one. Oh, really? Like that on it, please. All right, stop talking. Yes. We're gonna turn this fire down more. I don't know why this burner didn't me. Take up a time. So with the oil is here and we're setting up for the chicken. Guys, I love to cook, but I hardly eat. Cause look, this is my tea that I made since morning. I haven't drink it yet. Hmm? Have nothing to eat yet, but I love to cook. No. All right, I'll check it out. No one, no one. It's not okay. Okay, so the rice is red already. Oh my God. You have, and that is it. You have the right connection, the right combination. That's sweet and sour chicken. Wait, milk go good with it too. Mhm. Ask him which one, if it's the lemon and sugar or straight up. Or thank you, Miss Diana. Thanks. Miss Diane, thank you, Diane. Like, come, Kim, look at this. Me come out. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. A call coming in. I need to learn to shut this off. Oh, all right. cooking with Miss Brown, definitely I wanna make sure I make you a big plate. I'm waiting for my oil to be hot so I can put my chicken in. Hi, Dian, Myers, how are you? So while you're here, guys, I'm just waiting to get the oil ready for the chicken. So what's going on in your neck of the wood? Okay, good. I'm gonna make sure I be plate. Actually, what did you have for dinner, Miss Brown? Because you were cooking. What did you cook? What are you having on your menu, guys? What's cooking at your neck of the wood in your kitchen? Hmm? Anisha Wiggins, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Jill in the Kitchen. Remember to give a thumbs up and share the live. Let everybody know we're having a good time here in Jill Kitchen. And I know you guys definitely gonna enjoy this sweet and sour chicken. I'm so sure. Recipe I'm not trying out. I've done this many a time, so really not trying out this recipe. So I know you're gonna be enjoying it. So I'm just cleaning up while cleaning up some of the stuff. And I have to get myself a gloves for this chicken. Because as I said, this stains your hand. Although mine is already stained, I don't want to get it too bad. So give me a minute. I'm just gonna go get a glove. So guys, I'm back. I went for gloves. Yeah, must be well said. Oh, take out. Take out. Okay, Diane, I want you to send me the plate. Everybody who wants a plate, please send me that plate. Okay? Send me the emoji, that plate emoji. Send it over here to Joel in the kitchen. Diane, I don't want you to do no takeout here because in Joel in the kitchen, with this, you don't need no takeout. So send over, put up, guys, put up your emoji plate, please. I don't want Diane eat out today. I want her to get some at Joel in the kitchen. Right? Oh, is that box you coming for? The takeout? Oh, you collect your food in a box. Okay, that's okay. All right, Dion. I'm going FedEx it, okay? You're not too far from me. CR Biggs, big up your big bad self. O'Neill Grant, big up yourself, O'Neill. O'Neill, what's going on, O'Neill? Send up your plate, darling. I'm gonna make you a plate. So we're making sweet and sour chicken and egg fried rice. So we are at the process now. We already made the sauce. The rice is ready and waiting, keeping warm over here. And I'm just waiting for the oil to be heated so I could put my chicken in. But everything else is going. So how are you doing? How is everyone? How is everyone doing? Oh, DP, you take it out? And SNG family two for me. Okay. Oh my God. So let's see how much servings I have. One. Chooksy in the big building. Big up yourself, Chooksy. You wake up, darling. Me and you hang out all night last night. Girl, I can't hang out with you. You take me all over and you keep me up all night. How are you? I know. Oh, O'Neill, you were there from the beginning, darling. Thank you so much for the support. What is it? Thank you so much for the support. I didn't know you were here. You didn't show you. I didn't see. I'm sorry. But big up yourself. All who on the line, big up yourself, guys. So truly appreciate you guys. I definitely couldn't do it without you guys. You're an amazing set of people. I just want to say thank you. You're so amazing, and I'm so happy and I met all of you from the bottom of my heart. Okay. All right. So this look like it's ready. I'm gonna be giving it a test run, and this is my sweet and sour chicken seasoned already. Right, it's seasoned, and I'm ready for it to go in the pot. Oh, Neil is the man for the money. Okay, let's check this oil out. Needs need a little bit more time. When everything else is ready, the rice is ready. I just need the boxes or the plate to show up so I can dish out everybody's own. So guys, share the live, and give me the thumbs up. Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. You don't want to cook. I'm okay with doing that. I'm fine. I'm fine. Guys, I can't dance, but I love to dance. And as I said, if I could dance, I would not be cooking. I would be dancing because I really love dancing. But since I can't dance, then I have to cook. I just add some more cornstarch to my chicken. That's a part of the what I use to season it up. I just add a little bit more to it. I'm gonna drop them in one bag. You drop them in one by one. I'm putting in my chicken in one by one. That's your plate already, Kate? Yeah, we have to share the guests first. We share this get first in this house, and whoever in here get left, whatever is left. What is my favorite?
What is your favorite menu you have been content?
Mm, you have to take care of the guests. We take care of the guests. That's what we do best. Take care of the guests first. No guests first, because if there's no guests or there's no customer, there's no business. No, sir. Yeah, that is so true. But okay, we're not going to put everything all at once. You don't need to stop it. Already, eat that already.
To make sure it is getting
So my daughter is here with me right now, and she already put down her plate. Look, her plate is already down. That, that's one of guys, this sticky looks so good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow, this looks good. I wish the camera could have come up here for you guys to see. It's so pretty. It's pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, wow. And when I'm cooking sweet and sour chicken, I feel really good. I don't know why. I get that special, you know, what you say, a special kind of feeling, you know. I don't know if it's the color. Maybe it's the color that give me that special kind of feeling. That's one of my favorite dishes. What video on it? Thank you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So my first set of chicken is ready. I'm gonna take it out. And it's ready. See how pretty they are? Can you see from where you are? Can you feel it? I'm feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it. So beautiful chicken over here. Oh, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Feel it so good. Just cleaning out my pot. I'm waiting it for it to get hot so I can put the next one in. Next set. You know what I do? I take the chicken out with my strainer because I don't want any oil on it, and then I put it on a dripping rack. So any little oil that is left on it, if there's, I don't want it to soak in anything. I just want it to drip. So I don't put it in a plate. I just put it on a dripping rack. And guys, you want to see this color? It would wake up anybody. The color is so amazing. It's vibrant color. I guess that's the vibrant color that gives me that kind of when I'm cooking it because the color is so vibrant. Guys, try this recipe. Try this coloring in here. I know all of you probably will have your thing down pat already, but just try this one. Everything right. Everybody get the plate over. I hope only you put this plate up. Or two plates. Only it's only one person. Who else you gonna give the next? And then who else you gonna S&G family. It's me, Christine. Thanks for sharing your good cooking. I have to go, but we'll catch the replay to see how it was finishing. Thank you so much, Christine. Thank you so much for coming in. Really appreciate you. Go have yourself do what you have to do and be safe. See you at the replay. Take care of yourself. Big up your family. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be ready now to put the next set in. So I'm gonna just wash my hand here, dry back my gloves, and next. Tell you one chicken breast goes a far way with sweet and sour chicken. You want to put them in single, that's the best way you can. Take them up one by one, put them in. Oh, don't burn me. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Like up the live and share it out because I'm gonna reach to the end of the cooking. I would really like to share some more plates. So send over the share the like so other people can come over and have a meal with us. We here at Julie in the Kitchen really like to share our meal, you know, we really do. We never small amount. If you check out my kitchen, there's a lot of big pots in here. Okay, so I'm not going to put the set in. I'm going to come back one more time. So I think what the pot. Who?
Um, here, the pot, just take the pot comes, so after you clean, here is gonna be good, I take the pot.
Oh, you want the empty pot? Just let me get you clear. Is it the empty pot you want when I finish cooking? Huh? Let me get it clear. When you say send the pot, it's like you liking the pot. Are you liking the pot? You want me to send just the pot? Let me know. Make yourself clear, okay? Make yourself clear. Share up the live because we're gonna share it soon, and we want to share it with some other people. Oh, you're gonna share that, Trina. That's the part I really don't like. So I'm really happy that somebody volunteered to share it. That's the part I really don't like. I don't like share. That's like I leave it and somebody else share. So I'm happy that I have a volunteer. So happy. So it's almost finished frying. We have one more set, and then it's gonna be we're all gonna be done, and then you can come over and do this, and I'll send the pot over so you can do the sharing. This fried rice smells so good in here. That garlic and that, and I tasted it, and it tastes good. That sesame seed oil, you give it an extra little kick to it with the ginger. Guys, you wanna try this? You wanna go try cooking it? I know everybody here can are good cooks, but nothing is wrong if you try somebody else's recipe. You know, just try it to see if you will like cooking it that way, even though you have your own. Okay, good, AG. One, did you send your plate over? Did you send over your plate? And where are you in this neck of the wood? Where are you, AJ Brown? AJ Bond? You know you're a traveler. Where are you now? Yeah, they will laugh. We are going empty pot. I just wanted to know what you mean when you say send the pot. Just I like to clarify, you know. I don't want to be mistake anybody, so I want to make it clear. That's why I asked what you mean. But guys, this is amazing in this kitchen over here. Oh, you're home. Good, good, good. You're chilling. So this is what everybody is. Wait, wait. Easy journey. You can't eat. What you say, AJ, when people drive, don't eat. Oh boy, you guys are amazing. This community is great. All right, so I can take the gloves off. We're almost here. The Everybody in this household is saying they can dying for me to finish cooking, so they can't eat. And I tell them I'm gonna be sharing you guys food out first. The last set is going. Okay, all right. I'm gonna hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, serve. So I have to serve CR with Biggs first because he's going to work and I don't want him miss this out. Blended culture in the house. Big up yourself every time. Okay. Almost almost done. Somebody wants to get there. Okay, that's the last set coming up. This is my last set. And look how beautiful. Oh, God, this is amazing. Amazing. Okay, guys, we're getting there. We're gonna play it out. I want to play it out. I want to play it out. CR Biggs because he's going away, and I really want to make sure he gets a play. That's it, sir. Finished now. We're gonna plate out a plate for CR Biggs. He's going to work, and we don't want him to miss it. So let me take his plate. A plate. Big plate for you, CR Biggs. Can you see it? Because you're going to work. That's why you're the first. Okay, guys, can you see the chicken? It's amazing. Look, it's so radiant. Okay. And we deep fry the chicken, as you can see. We have our sauce here. We're gonna plate a plate now. So what's going on, blended? Sha, Sha, Shana feeding, feed me. I don't understand, AJ Bond. Come again, come again, come again. Oh God. Let me hurry up. Let me hurry up. I don't like people waiting on me for food. I get nervous. I don't like it. I get nervous. Okay, is this 4 spoon is good enough for you? 4 spoons. Okay, is this enough food? Enough in this plate? Let me put some chicken here and my sauce here. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't want nobody to go and didn't get it. So let me share fast. Oh God, as I say, I can use a rolled paper towel in no time. That's what I waste. Once I'm in the kitchen, that's what I waste. Paper towel. I like to have my food well presented. So that's why I want your eye to start eating the food before I reach to your mouth. So that's what I'm doing. I want to make sure when you get this plate, it's well presented. All right, let's do some chicken over here. That enough? I think that's enough for one person. I think so. All right. Here, we're gonna put some sauce on this. Put some sauce now. Okay, this beautiful sauce, guys. Pineapple. This one is over. I shouldn't put pepper in. Don't put your pepper in too early, because then it it's keep the heat keep cook it before, and I want that radiant color. That's your pineapple going on, and you put some a little sauce on it. My sweet and sour for you guys. Beautiful. It smells good. Okay, and that's my first dish. Everybody else one is coming up, so I'm gonna make some more serving. I'm gonna clean up my plate before I present it to you. And he said, I hope AJ is still here because he's going to work and we don't want to go to work hungry. Mhm. Let me come in. Go ahead. So this is my first plate. So, guys, this is it. Guys, I hope you enjoy, okay? Enjoy it. It's all for you. Beautiful. It smells good. And this first plate goes out to Biggs because he's going to work and we want nobody to go to work hungry. I want to go put some energy at work, and if you're hungry, you can't put any energy, right? So this is for you. Yeah, so guys, how is everything? Thank you, Blended Culture. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. What you cooking today? So guys, remember to like up the live, give the thumbs up. Beautiful. Like, share. Thank OG Brown Bond. Big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. Me take it from him. Then may as take it from him. No. I want you to have a plate. Then I have two plates for you, you know. I have two takeout boxes for you. So I really want him not to go to work hungry. We don't send our people to work hungry. We want them to perform when they get to work so we don't make them hungry. Yeah, it's a wonderful dish. And it's so see our babes, take care, darling. Have a wonderful day at work and remember to play it safe. You know, wear your mask, do what you have to do, and take care of your big bad self. Yes, son, we have a lot of that. We have a lot of sauce, not to worry. I'm giving away sauce, so if anybody nearby me here in the Bronx and want some sauce, you can come over and get it. We have a lot. Yes, I'm on Instagram at Julie in the Kitchen. Put the link there for me. I'm gonna put the link on for my and guys, remember to show love to everyone else who is on this live. Okay, remember to love everyone. Show some love. If you're not visiting their channel, please remember to visit their channel and give love. Yes, you are big up yourself every time, and you're always a part of this family. Okay, I'm gonna put it yes, blended culture. I'm gonna try to FedEx it, okay? Renee Reed, lovely. I can't see it that far. Okay, I know, Diane, that me and you would be linking up if it wasn't for the corona. But hopefully, let's pray and have a positive outlook, positive attitude, and just hope this thing goes away soon. And you know, we can all have some time together when we link up with one another. Right. Guys, we have to play it safe. On my Instagram, my link for my Facebook and Instagram is on. Anybody who wants to go over to my Facebook or my Instagram, the link is there. So, guys, remember to go over to each other. So, everybody that comes over to Joy Kitchen are very authentic people, and we want you to go over and visit one another and show love. Be authentic, give some good kind of love. Just not run in and run out. Spend some time, watch their videos. Yeah, watch their videos for at least 3 minutes. and then they will return this the favor. Thank you, Sister Cher. I learned from the best, Sister Sharon. This picture, you can do that. Yeah, everybody put whoever want to put their link on, put your link on so other people can visit you. Guys. Yeah, my link is there. It's on Instagram and it's on Facebook. I pin my link. Okay, good job. CR babes. I just link you. Yeah, I'll get back at you. AJ Bond, thank you so much. Okay, I got you, CR. I did that. I have you. But guys, go visit CR Bigs. They are very supportive people, and you want supportive people in your corner. Queen. Oh, very nice. That's a you did a good job, Queen Shana. Blended culture is such a great supporter. You want to have one of those people in your corner. Thank you, guys. Thank you all for coming in. Any questions for me? If you want to hang out with me, I'll be hanging out. I'll be staying on. So if you have any question or you want to reach out to me, you could. I'm still here with you guys. I'm not ready to leave you yet. So you could hang out with each other, chill, grab a beer, grab a glass, and let's have some fun. I'm gonna eat some of my fried rice. I am not so much a sweet and sour person, as I told you before. I don't like anything that has that sweet sour thing, but I don't know why I don't like. But I'm gonna eat just a few little pieces just for you guys. But I love to cook it. It's one of the dishes that I absolutely love to cook. And the reason why I do is because my family loves it so much. And when they eat it, I feel like, wow, I'm in heaven the way they behave. So I love to cook it. I'm gonna just eat a small amount. Take some of this. First, this is the first takeout. Can you believe it? Huh? This is the first takeout. Okay, SNG. Okay, I'm coming currently. Okay, welcome, guys. Like up my live. Put the thumbs up and tell YouTube that we're having a fabulous time over here in the kitchen with the most fabulous guests. Somebody, I'm just gonna eat a small amount. I'm here with you guys. I'm not gone yet. Come on, guys, go and visit all those houses. And if you see somebody, I'm learning from you guys. So if you see somebody visit your house, don't just visit them back. Write it down in your little Instagram book and put something there. You need to go back tomorrow and show love. Because sometimes because you run in and run out and the other person run in and run out, it doesn't stick. but you want to give authentic love. When you go over to the houses, watch their video for a little bit, at least 3 minutes. Leave them a authentic message, something to do with the the meal, or you could say I met from the video, or you can say I just met you at Joel's or at Blended House or Young Miles house, and I'm here to show you love. You want to leave something, so and put your notification bell on. Don't leave without you put your notification bell on. And then another thing you can do, because sometimes when I wake up in the morning, I don't have the person who give me love or subscribe to my channel. It's not there. But what you can do is go back to that channel and look to see if you are still connected. And if not, you get connected again. Because you're not only just doing it just for now, you're doing it for forever, right? You want to stay connected with these lovely people for life and or until they are still on Instagram or on YouTube. You don't want to just doing it just for doing it sake. You're doing it for support. So guys, if you go support somebody, leave them a comment. So guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for your support. And I'm gonna be eating a little of this food that I cook, a small amount. Mm, I know. That's what happened. I lose sleep too. One morning when I wake up, I lost 12. But as you say, go back to the channel and the people who you subscribe to, go back to their channel and check to see if you are still there. This is so good. Mm-mm-mm. It's amazing. Mm. This tastes really good. Honestly, I have to take back my word. I don't like it that much because all the time I keep away from eating it. But guys, with this fried rice, it's one to die for. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. I'm not kidding. I would not lie. This is so good. I wouldn't lie. Mm-mm-mm. Guys, mm-mm. Something, this one chicken breast. It's the chicken breast from one chicken. This is so good. Okay, do I want some sharing some share one a dish for you to take away? I'm trying to get one of that. Mm, guys, this is so good. Not because I cook it, but honestly, it's good. With this, you don't need to go to any Chinese restaurant, but this is authentic. This was cooked with love with you in mind. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to bring up a pan for the rice. This is so, so, so good. The only thing I did made it's not a mistake, but because I'm talking and cooking, I shouldn't just put your pepper on your on your colorful pepper last thing when you're almost ready to serve it because it's hot, it takes time and it cook so they don't give you. I want it to be a brilliant looking color, but I cannot kill the colors because I put the things in there too fast because I'm talking. So take me a little longer to cook and than usual. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, guys, check out each and every one. Show some love. Guys, tell me, is there any question for me? Anything anybody needs? I know that, Brandon. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. It's not, I didn't plan to do it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. And if you notice, it's going. I don't have any here. Don't put stuff into the mouth. I think I want the sauce on it, because it's probably good. Mm. And like that sesame seed oil is very good with the chicken fried rice. So guys, leave me a comment. Tell me what would you like to see me cook again and another live. So let me see if I could try. Leave me. Anybody want to see anything that they would love to see me cook? Leave me a comment, and then I'll look to see if I could try to make it. Anil, are you still here on the line? Hi, Shar. Big up yourself. Hey, thanks for coming. So, Shar, we were making sweet and sour chicken and chicken fried rice. I'm having mine, and I was telling them I'm not a lover of chicken, sweet and sour chicken, and I've cooked it so many times. And this recipe has been cooking me like for 30 years or more. This the same recipe, and I really never usually eat. But today, I wanted to just eat it for you guys because you were here. I love to cook it. It's one of the favorite food I like to cook because you know what? Everybody in my family likes it. And when I cook it, everybody happy. So I love to cook it. But me myself, I really don't like it. But I decided to eat something today. And I'm telling you, girl, you wanna it's so good. It's very good. And I'm enjoying every bit of it. I don't know if it's because it's my first meal for the day, why, but I'm truly enjoying it. But what's cooking in your house there, Shaw? I know today Saturday, most people don't cook today. More, remember, today might be food day in Jamaica. Before, I think Saturday was always a food day. Well, in this house, we don't have no special day for anything. Just depends on the mood. We cook by mood. Very, this chicken is very good, and it's cooked to order. So everybody has to place the order. Mm? At this point. Mm. It's so good. It's so good. Honestly, so good. It's selling out. Every look you look in that place, sir. Selling out. Um, oh, look, going containers, containers. Look, going containers, going containers upon containers. I don't honestly I cook, but I don't know where this shipping to. It's all all this going out containers upon containers. Going containers. I tell you how I make my family happy when I cook this food. They like it. They love it. And it's easy to cook because it's not a hard dish. And everybody, because they don't like, and it's regular, they don't like chicken breast. The family don't like chicken breast when you cook it like brown stew. Maybe brown stew, but like for fry or barbecue, nobody likes it. So most time we have breast left back in the fridge because nobody. So when we make the chicken, we most time leave back the breast section. We have it in the fridge if I get around making it sweet and sour. Because that's that only time they like the chicken breast. It's funny that somebody was watching the live and I just hear my doorbell. The person is here to pick up. I know the person is here to pick up because they were watching the live. I wasn't too far from where I live, so they are right here. I just hear the doorbell. They are here to pick up it. But I'm sorry, everybody wasn't that close, so they could come and pick up theirs. Germany are here. Mhm, mhm. Come over here. We're here to pick up your what's it on the live? Enjoy it, man. Enjoy it, right? Enjoy. Mm, good. Very good. Oh, hi, Sasha Boo Diva. I made sweet and sour chicken with egg fried rice. That's what I just finished made. I'm sorry you came in and you weren't here, but I tell you, girl, it's amazing. It's so good. You know, very nice, very good. Um, so guys, I'm still here. I'm here with you as long as you want me to. So remember to, is there anything you want to talk about while we hang out? Oh, you was at work. Girl, we have to work to pay the bills. We have to. But just keep safe while you're at work. I'm not next weekend this time I will be at work, but today I'm not. So I'm just making time for a few days now I wasn't at work, so I'm making I'm making some time, to get around to know other people and to visit other people and stuff like that. Miss Abram, say hi to Blended Culture. Go over and visit him. Is Visit Blended Culture. The family, they are great people. Some of those people you want to have in your corner. They're very supportive, very, very supportive. Go out and as I know, Miss Brown too, you're very supportive. So go over and visit. Guys, visit your friends, visit people who you haven't visited before. Okay, Sasha Boo, are you talking to me, darling? That me, I am the one you're talking to. Give Joanne some sauce in one of those takeout containers. Whose chicken is left? Cover up stuff. Okay, Sasha Boo. You have me on Instagram, so my link is there, Jill in the kitchen. The Instagram link is there, so definitely link so we can um meet up. Yes, that's mine. Yeah, that's mine, sweetie. It has the dot. It has a period between the words. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Sierra Biggs, you're still around. I thought you say we're gonna go to work. Or you just wanted to get first while you said it? So guys, welcome, welcome. If you didn't give me the thumbs up yet, give me the thumbs up and let YouTube know that we're having fun over here. Anybody want to ask me any question? Where are you from? Right. Anything you want to ask? If I'm comfortable, I will answer. I'm a little bit shy too. I want you to know that. That's one thing you probably don't know, but I'm a little bit shy too. Oh, you're working 7 to 7. What time it is now? Oh, it's 5 o'clock. It's not work time yet. Oh, you're working 12 hours tomorrow morning. You are gonna be coming home. Oh, take care of yourself, right? Don't let nothing happen. We don't want to hear that nothing happened to anybody. But Sierra Biggs, where are you though? Where do you live? Where in the world are you? I know we are all over, and I'm so happy for technology, right? Technology is such a beautiful thing, even though I kind of stay away from, trying not to get too touch up with technology. I'm not a technology girl, but I'm happy for it because of technology, we all can be hooking up like this, and we are all over in the world. So I'm giving a big thumbs up for technology, and we get the opportunity to be here with each other, even though we are at different parts of the world. Such a beautiful thing. Oh my God. I don't want that. Oh, you're in Jamaica. Where? We're in Jamaica. Mandeville, Christiana, Montego Bay, Clarendon, where? So yeah. Oh, I don't like that. And you know what? I really want to come home because my mom lives in Jamaica and I really want to visit her. But with all of this, and then when they close it down and the quarantine, they spend all the 2 weeks doing quarantine. They don't get no time to be with family and friends. But Miss Brown, make sure you keep safe, right? You have some. Thank you, Blended Culture. Thank you so much. So, guys, go over to Blended Culture and give some love. Love everybody. Show some love to all who is on. Oh, you live in Montego Bay? Oh, great. So, oh, Montego. Okay, who are you gonna see in a few hours, Shaw? Guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Give the thumbs up because we are having fun over here. Yes. Oh, of course, everybody is busy taking care of the stuff, living life because life has to go on. So that's how it is. As long as we come over and give a little love to each and everyone every now and then, it's all okay. I know, honey, I know how it goes that you're multitasking. I know. Thanks for being here. Thanks for showing up. No problem. Just do your thing and take care of yourself, sure. Do your thing. I know you're a busy woman. You're an all-rounder. So I understand that too. Just do the talking, but some probably it's not still here. Yeah, I know. Everybody has their stuff doing, everybody taking care of stuff. Dan, are you there? Sasha Kitchen Creative Way. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome to the live. You can't go back. You have to be sure. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. Thank you. So, guys, any questions for Joel? And as I said, if there's anything you guys would love to see me cook, please let me know. Charlie, come quick. Charlie, come quick. Where's the charger? Here. Great stuff. Okay, guys, go give some good cookies. Go over and give some good cookies. Welcome, welcome, guys, as we come into the kitchen. Give me a thumbs up and share the live. Tell YouTube that you are having a great time. My allergy is killing me. I have such a bad reaction the other day at work. And even then, I'm not over it yet. Because I can't take smoking. When somebody smoke, I can't take it. And then I had this bad reaction the other day when I was at work. So I went into a room and a patient was there and flight visited, and it came with all the clothes, the bags, and everything that was probably the person wasn't smoking, but there was so much um smoking scent, and it triggers my allergy. And that was from last week Thursday, and it's still affecting me. So if you hear my voice like this, it's the allergy reaction from smoking. So okay, so Sasha Boo Beaver is asking everyone in the chat are YouTube creators. We had some non-creators before. I don't know if they're still here, but most people here are. So most people here are. So you could go over to their channel and show them some love. Most people here, you have Cooking with Miss A. Brown, you have Queen Shauna, you have Shaw Glow, you have everybody, Blended Cultures, CR Beats, Cooking with Miss Brown. Most people here are Sasha Boo, yeah. Most people here are creators, CNS family, SNG family, Bobby Jane Lane. Most people here are creators. Diane Myers, if I forgot anybody, and there was some here that um, were not creators, but I don't know if they're still here. And you have AJ Born Jamaican. Are you here still? Give me the thumbs up. Let me see who is here still. I know I'm talking, but I don't know who is here. Show me your thumbs up if you're still here. And people are leaving their links, so you could go over and look at them, show them some love, and make sure guys you watch the video. Watch the video. Give them at least 3 minutes of your time. Okay. So Miss Brown left a tip here. She said, darling, don't use the S word and don't leave the packet same day. When you wake up, everything will go. Right. And that's for sure because I've had that experience. When I wake up in the morning, I don't see anything there. So guys, I'm trying to figure it out. When you go, I guess when you go over to visit somebody's channel, you before you strike subscribe, you wanna listen to whatever they are offering, listen to something for 3 minutes, and then you give a thumbs up. And when you're ready to leave, you say, "Wow, I like this presentation. I like how this person channel is, so I'm gonna subscribe." So when you do it that way, you too get to know it's an authentic subscriber and not just somebody just doing it for just doing it sake. Right. So you go in, turn on one of their video, listen to it. Oh, I like this. Then you put your thumbs up, and then I'm ready to go. You're gonna close the door now. So you put the subscribe button on. At the same time, put on your notification bell. Yeah, notification bell. That's the way to do it. I'm not a long time YouTuber, but I'm taking my time to learn, and kind of trying to figure out what would make something look authentic. And something would look authentic if you don't run in and run out. You run in and run out, it doesn't look authentic. Art, authentic. It doesn't look authentic. So you don't want to run in and run out. You want to spend some time, right? You want to spend some time. Yeah, yeah. Spend some time in somebody's house, at least 3 minutes, and give them the thumbs up, and then you're gonna close the deal. You put the subscribe button up, and you give touch the notification bell because you wanna make sure You want to make sure that it stick. We want everything to stick. We don't want that not stick. Alright. Guys, a question. You have a question for Joy in the kitchen? I'm willing to answer your questions. Any topics? Thank you, Bobby G. Ling. Thank you so much. Did you get to see the oh, Sasha Boy, you're still there. Bless up your bad self. And thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, you're amazing. Anybody here that didn't visit my house before? I guess everybody did, and that's why you're here. So guys, that's how it goes. Sometimes we fall asleep on one another, right? Because we're so tired. We're all over the place doing everything, sharing little support here, sharing little support here, and all over. And that's how it's supposed to be. We support each other. We're all young YouTubers, and we're trying to build. So we go out and give support because you have to give support to get support. We don't want to be selfish, right? We help out each other. Each one help one. Okay, that's what we are here for. So bless you guys, bless yourself, big up on yourself, because on the big and bad and large. Big and bad and welcome guys, welcome. Welcome as you come to this chat. We welcome you. We appreciate you here at in the kitchen. Guys, it's a pleasure having you guys over. We could have not done it without you. So we thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you guys so much. So guys, go over and visit if anyone here in the live that you haven't had, visit their houses. Go visit the houses and show some love. And as we always say, give some authentic love. You want to go visit and spend some time watching the video. If you can do it today, make sure you go back tomorrow. But and don't go back and visit somebody who visits you today. You could always go back. Listen, if you want to go back to somebody's house, that visit you today. Just go listen to the a video, put the thumbs up, leave. Tomorrow, remember to go back and subscribe. So, guys, love up yourself, love up each other. Remember to gratitude is a must every day. We have to give God thanks for life. We're gonna give God thanks for each and every one of us. As we go, each and every one of us. For every one of us that is here, we want to give thanks for each and every one of us. We want to give God thanks for life. Want to give God thanks for having a job, or even to have this YouTube live. One of us around supporting each other. Because as Coco say, gratitude is a must. As Coffee say, Coco, as I always say Coco. As Coffee say, gratitude is a must, and it's definitely guys every day as we get up. We want to give thanks for the small things that is happening in our life. Some of us might not be having a great time because of what's going on. Many of us probably not working because of the pandemic. But we want to still give life God thanks that we're still alive, we are well, and we are breathing because there's a lot that isn't breathing right now. A lot of people have lost family and they are not here to celebrate with them. So we want to give thanks for that. We want to wake up every morning, take a breath, and say thank you, Jehovah, or whoever your God is. We want to say thank you, God, because we are here. We just want to give thanks. And the more we give gratitude, the more we are thankful, is the more blessing follows us. So we want to get up every morning and just go out with a positive attitude. And I want to tell you this. Remember that join that Me Too club because there's a Me Too club sometimes that are negative. And you don't want to join a negative Me Too club, right? You don't want to join a negative. You don't want to join a negative YouTube club, Me Too club, because what a negative Me Too club does, it makes you become something because somebody else is. Because somebody might be genuinely having a hard time or having stress or depression or whatever. But because you're in that climate, you're around that environment, and somebody walk in and said, "Oh my God, I'm so stressed," and you end up saying, "Me too," because that's a Me Too club, and we don't want to join any. The only Me Too club we want to join is the positive Me Too club. So because we're gonna only talk positive things. So if somebody is saying that I am tired and you're not tired, I don't want you to say you're tired. We're not going to say we're tired too because it's not positive. When somebody said this year, this is the year for me and all positive gonna happen, that's the time to say me too, right? So guys, tell me something, guys, tell me something, how you feel about that. No Me Too club unless it's positive. We're not gonna join no negative Me Too club. We're only gonna go around positive people because you know what? So maybe things not so bright in our life, but they say if you stick around positive things gonna happen, right? Wanna stick around the positiveness, and that's why I'm hanging out with you guys because you guys are working on goals, you're having things set up, and you're pushing it, and you're going out to support other like-minded people. So guys, big up yourself as you go on each day and as you have your goals set and you know your big why, because your why got to be big. Why are you doing this? Or why are you going to work? Or why are you doing YouTube? Or why are you pushing it so hard? That why has to be so big so that it forces you to go out and do whatever you want to do because you have a great why. But my why is very big, and that's why I am forced because I go to bed so late. Last night and the night. Well, for a few nights now, I've been going. I didn't go to bed until 5 o'clock this morning because my why is big. So, guys, I know you guys has big why. What's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We appreciate you guys. Welcome, everyone. Okay, CR Big Things. Have yourself a great evening. Have yourself a great work. Don't overwork yourself, but just what you give your best to you, right? As you always do. Give your best to you and take care of your number one self. Until next time, be safe. Mm? Huh? Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me and spending this quality time with me. It means a lot to me. Really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you guys. Yeah, take care of yourself, CR Bigs. Can you look at this one? Can look at this one? Why I'm not moving on the camera? What is that? Camera is so still. Why please? I'm seeing it here. Isn't it? Yeah, but it's not moving. It's not moving. The camera not moving. I'm not saying what color name. You see, I don't drive on it. I'm still there. I don't know. Okay. You're so welcome, CRBs. You're so welcome. Take care of yourself. Who is here with me? Thanks for hanging out with me. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Who's in the house? Okay, SNG family, going to bed. Have a great night. Take care of yourself and be safe at work tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Sasha. Sasha, yeah. Okay, you're hanging out with me, girl. You're still here. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. So I was asking the question, is there anything anybody on the live would want to see me cook? I would try to make it, cook it live. I would try to make it. Thank you, Sasha, for hanging out with me all this time. Who else is here? Any question for me? Any question?
In my
I like question with why. I don't like the question. I don't know why. Why? I want to know why before I give my answer. Guys, thank you so much for watching with me. Really very appreciative of you. Hi, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Who is here? Who is here? Thank you so much for being here. Is there anything, guys, you want to talk about while we're here? We three of us hanging out here. Any questions for Jill in the kitchen? Any question, guys? Anything anybody want to ask that I can answer? Thank you, Sasha Bull. So, guys, remember to go visit your other YouTubers and show some love. And watch some video, give them some watch time, and show the love. When I'm finished here, I'm gonna go over and watch some other people who I was supposed to be going to see, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. Oh, Ray Pink. Okay, Ray Pink. Me, I know I'm not. No problem. Jill in the kitchen. Thank you so much. Okay, good. Pink. How are you? What? Ray Pink. How are you doing today and doing your this pandemic? Okay, so today I'm doing. If that question is for me, I am. Why am I not seeing that question? Bro? Um, okay, so I'm not seeing some of the question on this. Kim, 1 minute, please. How come I'm not? You see, this one is not showing minute comment. That's showing different.
Because this one is delayed.
Yeah, but even then.
It's delayed.
Okay. Okay, so I'm doing great today. And during the pandemic, I did okay.
Just to go to
Yeah, right. So if that's what question is for me, I'm doing okay today. And through the pandemic, I did well. I didn't get sick. Nobody in my family got sick, and even though I work around it, but I tried my best, even though it was difficult to keep myself in PPE all the time. But I still did good, and thank God I'm still here. Nothing happened. I didn't get touched by the COVID, but so I'm okay. Okay. So I'm gonna end now if you're still here. And I want to say thank you so much for being here. And God continue to bless you guys. And we are going to go out and visit each other. If there's any light going around, we're going to go see if there's any. And I need to go around and visit somebody else's house. So I want to say thank you guys. Thank you so much. Um, so while we go over, so until next time, guys, thank you so much. As I say, gratitude is always a must, and I'm giving gratitude right now for this life, and this is my first time live. I tried it before, but this is my first official live, and I want to give you thanks for the positive energy, and until next time. Bye. Take care of your beautiful self. Love upon yourself and love upon others. And keep yourself safe. Until then, bye. See you next time. God bless. Bye. Bye, guys. Okay, O'Neill, you're dear. Bless up yourself, O'Neill. Until then, have a great evening. But some people here, guys, are we staying or are we going? I don't really want to close my door if you're not ready to close. But continue loving upon yourself, O'Neill. Oh, O'Neill Grant. Oh, that's O'Neill Grant. Yes, O'Neill, take care of yourself and take care of your daughter and all of them good things there. I see your good work. Guys, go over and visit O'Neill. He has a great channel going on. So take care of yourself. O'Neill, I see you're late, so maybe you're gonna go watch my replay. I made a beautiful dish. I want you to go over when it's time and look at it. Be blessed. Take care of yourself. Stay safe and love upon yourself. Until next time, guys, this is Julie in the kitchen. Say until then, I will see you. Bye. Take care. Okay, guys, take care. Bye. See you later. God bless. Take care. Bye.